I decided to do this video because I got parts laying around, and I got a lower and I got some Amazon sights. I got some AR-15 parts here, and I got a 22 LR bolt from CMMG, which I actually shot before in a previous video with 22 LR. This thing is, if the FRT ever comes back, it goes onto here, so it'll work really good with the force reset trigger. Okay, so there's my parts. The back end of this, it's gonna be like a pistol because I'm not gonna have a stock. So I got this thing from CMMG. Screws, I said it screws in, right? There you go, I gotta lock that in. It screws right into the back, okay? There's too many treads, so I won't do it at the moment. And that's the backstop for the bolt. Also, I got this sight from Amazon a long time ago. I saw people use it. It might work for fooling around. It might even really work. Okay, so I got my parts, got my handle, got 3 magazines for the 22. Could actually go right in, no problem, providing you know what you're doing. And then all you need to do is head down to the gun show this weekend. Okay, get a short barrel like that. And then I gotta measure it to the lower. And then I'm gonna produce like I did the last time I made the video on this. This is how I expect it to operate, except not an AR-15 configuration. Like a pistol with no stock, and a short barrel, which is okay because it's a pistol with no stock. Here we go. So I don't know how many people remember that. It's not like I got millions of viewers, but that's what I'm going to do. That's my plan. I will get on it. Tomorrow's the gun show. And hopefully I can get what I want, because there's a guy there that's pretty good with this stuff, and he'll help me out. So, see you on the back end. Wow, that was kind of hard. I went and put that back on. I forgot how it gets all funny if you don't do it exactly right. So it's back on. But what I forgot to show you was the extra part that I got that made me want to do all this. It was right here. I got a Springfield. I've got to put it sideways to fit in my camera. Springfield Armory, binary trigger. I have one in my rifle, like I showed you. And I'm going to use that on this pistol. Okay? Okay, so I'm kind of fighting shadows here. So let me show you. I went ahead and got the 7-inch upper. Got it at the gun show. Didn't cost me much at all. Okay. I already had the CMMG 22 bolt carrier group. That's from the conversion kit. It's in, ready to go. My lower is done. I got the end cap on real good. I got all the pins in right. I did function check the binary trigger. Now all that's left to do is figure out if this thing works. And just in case you want to see what the whole thing looks like, there it is. Okay, I'm going to put a little bipod on the front. I'm going to put that little Amazon sight up there. Not bad. Kind of heavy, obviously, for a pistol, but if I put a stock on it, I got to go through all the tax stamp stuff. But just for fun, I'll enjoy this thing. There's the target that I'm going to shoot at. If it looks a little bit crooked, that's because it is. I got my Amazon sight on there, whatever you call those SB-Voni sights. My earphones aren't working that well right now, so I sound muffled to myself. I hope I don't sound muffled to you guys. Here we go. I hope I got it. I hope I got it.